How to install a Delta Force on PC. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install Delta Force game on PC. So first of all, you need to open a new browser tab on your web browser and search for Steam. And after clicking on Steam, you just have to click on welcome to Steam, the Steam official website, and you just have to make sure to log in to your account or create an account on Steam. And after that, I've already logged into my account, so let's directly go to the next phase. You can see here's a search bar on the left upper corner, and you just have to click on here and search for Delta Force. And as you can see, the second suggestion is the Delta Force. We'll just have to simply click on that, and after clicking on that, you can see the official game is here, and you just have to install it now on your PC. So for that, you have to click on play for free, or you can just directly download this game from here by clicking on play game. And yes, Steam is installed. You just have to click on here, play this game now, and you just have to search for Steam app, and you just have to run it on your PC, and then you are good to go. And you can just simply click on install now on Delta Force, and that's how you install the Delta Force game on your PC and play it. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.